Hey YouTube, how you doing? Joe again from the Delray Customs YouTube channel, installing another brand new 2012 JVC head unit. It's the KD-R730BT. Priced right, has A2DP streaming, 2 USB inputs, an auxiliary, and an AM/FM CD MP3 WMA player. I'm here in a 2006 VW GTI. We removed the stock doubled-in. Obviously, we wanted to upgrade and update ourselves, no longer a need for a cassette player. So what we did is we put a little storage pocket below the radio so we could set our iPod when it's plugged in on the surface. We then integrated to the stock harness, stock antenna, and everything, a new AM/FM CD. Once again, this was Joe at Allen Ed's Auto Sound, just showcasing a 2006 VW GTI with JVC's newest 2012 KD-R730BT single-DIN radio. Thanks, YouTube.